Hey, what's up guys? My name is Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob Some Knowledge YouTube channel. So you've got some old leftover pizza that's cold now and you want to go ahead and reheat that. But you're wondering to yourself, what is the best way to reheat that? The quickest and the fastest and the most tasty way. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now obviously for overall flavor and just to recreate the fresh taste, you're going to want to reheat it in a actual oven or like a toaster oven. But we're going for a speed here, so we're going to be showing you the best way to actually reheat pizza in the microwave without the crust getting all super dry and super hard. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a plate with a paper towel down underneath the pizza, set the pizza there, take another paper towel and make this damp just by putting a little bit of water with it underneath your faucet. You don't need it soaking, but just damp enough to where the whole thing is not dry anymore. And you can squeeze all the excess water out of it. And what this is going to help it do in the microwave is just not lose all of its moisture, especially in the crust. Because what we're going to do with this paper towel, once we unfold it like this, is we're just going to drape this over the whole pizza, like so. And you really want to enclose the crust if you can. If you want to, you can just kind of tuck it under there a little bit. And tuck it under there a little bit so it kind of encloses the pizza. There's a little bit sticking out right there, but that'll be okay. Then what we're going to do is go ahead and go up to our microwave. Okay, now that we're in the microwave, we're going to go ahead and pop this baby open, throw this whole plate up in there, and we're going to microwave this for about 40 seconds. Now this is one piece of a large pizza. So it may differ if your pizza is bigger or smaller, or your microwave. Obviously you can kind of play around with the times, but the major part of this video is the paper towel method. So we're gonna go ahead and start, and if you're microwaving two pieces, it'll probably be more around a minute. So we're just gonna go ahead and let that go, and I will be with you guys shortly. We're gonna speed this part up. And there we are. The masterpiece is done. Now let's go ahead and take a peek inside. So now that we have it, we're going to go ahead and lift it up, and caution, this is probably fairly hot, which it is, but you're just going to unwrap it from your moist paper towel, and look at that. I have never seen a reheated piece of pizza look so amazing. The crust is nice and soft, just like when it came out of the oven from the store. And let me just take a bite. Oh yeah, that is nice and hot. The cheese is nice and melty. Honestly, that is not very far off from when it was fresh. This is one of the best methods to reheat your leftover pizza. And guys, if this helped you out, please be sure to smack that like button. It helps so much. It helps the video just so other people can see it and learn this awesome method. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching again, and until next time, I will talk to you later.